Ha.
Ha.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1, 6 count.
Bryson, Val.
That's us. So we did this 6 count glide, which looked like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We talked about how leaders go, then followers go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Followers, really be patient and hang back on that first rock step, triple step. Leaders, you have to do the opposite. You have to.
Let's do it this way. And we see the hand change.
Yeah. The hand slides.
There it is. Sorry, I interrupted you. What else were you going to say?
That's all good. So we practice that, and then because of that momentum that flows through that move, if we go to tuck turn right after that, it looks and feels so much better. So we did 2 of those glides. Pa, pa, da, pa, pa, da. One more. Pa, pa, da. Then followers continue. Leaders open, tuck.
Turn.
Yeah.
Change. Place.
Keep that momentum. Then we give you a little modification for your tuck turn. You could switch the hand and then go into the free spin. Switch the hand and then let go. So you have those options, and we danced it, and it was cool, right?
That's right.
Yeah.